What's going on, YouTube? Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy CJ, the Barber Prodigy. I just want to say I'm very excited to bring this video to you guys. So a couple days ago, I did a video on the unboxing and reviewing of the Supreme trimmer, and the company reached out and decided to show me some love and send me. Oh, you can't really see it in the camera too. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they sent me some of their new blades to try out on the trimmer. Nice. And just to see how they cut. So I'm very excited to show you guys, you know, how they perform, and I'm looking forward to it. So guys, stay tuned and let's get into this. Alright guys, so this blade is the TB531 Gold, and I'll put the link in the description below. I really want you guys to check it out. I can tell already, I haven't even opened the pack, that it's a thinner, sharper blade than what comes on the trimmer originally. So, and it says it fits the T-Shaper Li, the 5200, the 5210, and the 5220. So if you have either one of those, definitely look into this blade. Let's go ahead and pop it on here and see what it is. Another thing that I really love about Supreme is that when they send out your replacement blade, they include everything from the spring that makes the clipper move, the trimmer blade move, to the screws, the oil, everything you could possibly need to replace it. They even send you an additional, I'm not really sure what this part is called, but they send you an additional one of those as well as one of these. So you get everything you need. It's not just the blade and the cutting blade. Massage the oil through the blade. Alright, and now we are ready to pop it back on here. So go ahead and align the holes. These are supposed to be it's supposed to be further up here. So make sure when you're putting these on that they sit in the grooves properly. Alright. They are good to go. Let's try them out.